video, I'm going to show you how I created a custom GPT to write knowledge base articles for our customer support help system. So what this is going to do is take anything from video transcripts to written articles and turn them into perfectly formatted articles to add to our knowledge base to help our customers better use our self-service tools. I'm going to walk you through. I'm in ChatGPT. I've gone to, when you go to Explore GPTs, when you're in there, you can click on Create Custom GPT. I'm going to go into the one I've already created here just to show you what I've done. Once you've created it, click on the name, click on Edit GPT. When you're creating it, it's going to walk you through a series of questions to help you create the GPT. What is the point of it? What are you trying to have it do for you? And then it will start to create those instructions in here. So what we've done is we've actually gone in. So it's designed to engage in a friendly and professional dialogue with users, focusing on client-facing articles about system usage, et cetera, et cetera. We've assigned a tone. It's going to avoid technical jargon. And really what we want to do here is make sure that it understands the format that we want these articles to be in. A title to title, clear title, introduction, steps, procedures, troubleshooting, related resources, and links from inside of our knowledge base. So you can see we've put a link to our knowledge base, so it's going to pull articles from inside of this knowledge base into the actual articles that it writes. And so this can be very efficient in helping us to, we're turning Loom videos, for example, into custom articles in just moments. And so I can also create these conversation starters that are going to be the things that are the most common prompts my team is going to use. Please review this article and update as needed. Please rewrite this article based on our process for writing articles, et cetera, et cetera. And now I also have the ability to turn on or off web browsing and image generation. So I turned off web browsing because I don't want it pulling information from outside of that link that I shared in the instructions here. Now you can also upload files. So if you had a old manual or something that you wanted to upload here, a PDF that, now you're trying to move it online, that is the perfect opportunity to pull against that information. And so now once I've got that done, let's take a look at how this works. One of the primary ways I will use this is I will just record a Loom. So now I've got both pieces because I'll have a video overview of the steps I'm trying to share with the individual I'm writing the knowledge base article for. And I can pull this transcript over here, copy it, go to the GPT. And once I go back to get out of here. So I've actually created a prompt here that says, please take the transcript from this Loom and format it into a good knowledge base article. Now I'll copy and paste that in here. Click send, and you can watch instantly as it creates a knowledge base article that's perfectly formatted based on the way that I ask for our articles to be formatted. Now it's going to be a little confused because it's not going to be pulling from the same library as this particular article. But as you can see, this is a wonderful way to create knowledge base articles in a snap for your team and make them more immersive because I've added video and text base to my knowledge base articles. So make sure that when you're trying to solve an internal problem and save time, every keystroke we save is an opportunity to better serve our customers, to better move our mission forward. And so creating custom GPTs for tasks like this is an awesome way to be more efficient with your team. Thanks for tuning in. If you're looking for more ways to power AI and automation inside of your sales and marketing team, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much.